Hey you guys, it's your girl iamzyiaa. If you can see by that thumbnail and that title, I am going to be doing a shein haul with you guys. Well, it's a back to school shein haul. So yeah, let's go ahead and into it. I got one box and I got 2 bags, okay? So yes, before we get into the video, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I can follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Let's go ahead and get into it because I don't want to waste no time, okay? So I'm just now opening this stuff, so we gonna see it together. Y'all gonna get my true reaction and we gonna see what it's giving. This is the box. Y'all know, like, when YouTubers get boxes, they be like feeling themselves, and I'm feeling myself. And then I got 2 bags, okay? Y'all thought y'all was finna get my address, baby. Psych. Start off with this box because I've been waiting to open it, so let's go ahead and get into it. I want to say thank y'all for 360, I think, but we is on the road to 400, so yeah, let's get into it. Most of my clothes, y'all, these are like medium, large, and extra large. Okay. Well, this is the box. Yeah, that was kind of fun. Alright, y'all, so this all the, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the small stuff. So the first thing I got, y'all, some shein cases. So I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It came with 3 of them. First I have this dark pink. Then I got this one. This is cute. This fire right here. Hey you guys, so y'all, my mom had walked in and she been waiting for me all day to try on all them clothes, and she was saying that I was taking too long or whatever. So when she came in, y'all, it was kind of awkward, so that's why I was like talking like that. And then my sister came in and she kept talking. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That was it. So then I got this white case. So I like all 3 of these, and it was a good price. So yeah, I got me a purse, guys. But y'all, I got this white purse. It's cute. It's a nice size. I can fit my phone in here, fit random stuff. You know, it's a nice size, guys. Oh, and I knew I had something else. It's a bag / purse. This is probably what I'm gonna wear for my outfit tomorrow. Well, I don't know. This is cute. I kind of look. It's kind of giving flat because you got nothing in there. But this is cute. This is cute. I'm wearing this tomorrow. My look, or either this one or the white purse. Still got to figure it out. Got to see it with the outfit. So I know I got some biker shorts. So with my biker shorts, that's what I'm gonna try on with everything, so you can see how it looks. Okay, hopefully I did good with the size. I got this in a 0 extra large. Okay, these are giving them, might be a little tight, but they'll do. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try this on and I'm gonna come back with y'all. All right, y'all, so these are the biker shorts. These are what I like the material, y'all. It's not too bad, you know, period, get into it. I'm gonna give them like a 9 out of 10. Okay, yeah, what about it? All right, y'all, so let's try on the next thing. I'm gonna keep the biker shorts on. And it's this little sweater. It says happiness. What's the bottom part say? Double happiness. Okay, this is cute. And I got this in a large. Okay, so let me try this on and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay. All right, y'all, so this is the first shirt, or what, it's a sweatshirt. And y'all, I'm feeling it. It's giving. Anyways, y'all, I'm giving this, I like it. It's nice and thick. Nice little coat. It is a 10. This is cute. Let's move on to the next thing. All right, y'all, so this is a hoodie, I think. I got this in a 0 extra large. It's getting small, but let's hope we can fit it. All right, so on the back it says love never fails, and in the front, love never fails. So yeah, let me take this off, put this on, and we're gonna see what it's giving. Okay. Hey you guys, so this is the next outfit. Y'all see it. Cute. It's soft, perfect sizing. I can fit it. I'm gonna give this a 10. Like I said, it's soft. It got pockets. I love it. Don't play with us. This gray hoodie. Let's see what it's talking about. I'm gonna have a hoodie. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm already getting hot in this, but it's alright, it'll do. Hey you guys, I'm back. So this is what the gray hoodie is giving. Okay. So it's giving cheaply made, which you know, Shein's clothes is always gonna do too much. It was mainly the zipper. It's just giving it can get stuck at 2.5 second vibes. But other than that, I like it. It's a cute little hoodie to throw on, you know what I'm saying? With a little tank top under. So I'm gonna give this 8.5. Okay, 8.5. It's a regular hoodie, something to throw on when I don't want to dress up too much. Cause this year, y'all not getting too much out of me. And that's what? Oh, okay. But let's try on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I keep forgetting what I got. Y'all, I forgot about this. So I got this Los Angeles. Y'all, I got a purple one like this, but I ended up getting a black one because I love dark colors. So I got this, and I'm gonna try it on with these pants, y'all. We're gonna see. It's probably not gonna match, but I just want to try it on just to change the pants up. But this is the one, and we're gonna try it on, and we're gonna get into it, okay? Don't mind my hair, y'all. I keep putting on clothes, and it's just messing up, okay? Hey, you guys. So it's perfect, loose, just how I like it. I love stuff loose, y'all. I do not like stuff suffocating on me tight. So this is perfect for me. So yeah, this is cute. Now y'all, I got some pants. This is the pants everybody and their mom's been getting. So hopefully I can fit it, y'all. Oh y'all, I don't know if baby, I don't know if I'll be able to fit these. I got this in the large. I should have. Oh no. Okay, these are cute, but I'm gonna try them for y'all, but we gonna see. All right, y'all. So let's talk about the fact how my jeans couldn't fit. They're good on the thigh part, but right here, it will not zip up. So these gonna have to go back. Anyways, y'all, that was the last thing in that box. So now we got to move on to the goodies. But I forgot I got this right here. So y'all, I was trying to get me like a little thing to hold my phone, which I didn't know my mom had got me one already. But I already I tried it earlier, but it's like it's not sturdy. Like this part right here, it keeps making my phone fall out. What I'm gonna do? I don't know if I'm gonna send it back or what. So tell me why I forgot about this shirt. I literally forgot all about it. So let's open it. So it's like one of those shirts, but like it got like a little split in it. I got this in a 1 extra large. So I'm gonna try it on with these shorts I got, and I'm gonna be back, okay? Alright y'all, so I'm back. And this was the other shirt that I got. So it got like a little cut down in it. And it got this little showtime, that's what it says. And it's a crop top, so I like it. It's cute. It's stretchy. But I'm gonna get this like a 9 out of 10. So now y'all, I still got 2 more bags to do. I don't know what I was getting myself into, okay? I should have did 2 videos, but I wanna go ahead and get this video out of the way. Alright y'all, so I got this next bag, okay? Let's see what's given. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bag too. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So now, y'all, let's get into it. Cause I know I got a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm like, do I really want to try this on? I'm going to, but it's like, do I really want to try it on? Do I want to? First thing, y'all, I got some lashes. I'm gonna probably put these on tomorrow. I mean, they're getting real dramatic. I don't know. I'm gonna try them because I got glasses, y'all, and the sister gotta be able to see. I gotta see what's going on, so I'm gonna put them on. Yeah, we're gonna see. Let's see what they pop with. So, first thing first is I got this black and pink hoodie. I got this in a extra large. Baby, this ain't giving no extra large. Well, let me stop. So it got hearts on it. What did it say? Sweetheart, invest in your happiness. This ain't giving no extra large, baby. I'm gonna put on. I got these jeans in a petite medium. Y'all, these are like mom jeans or baggy jeans, and they got 2 little holes. I'm gonna try them on, but I don't think they're gonna fit. It's the waist part. It's the waist. It's not getting stretchy. So we're gonna try it, y'all, and I'm gonna be back. But I'm mad. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm back, and I got this hoodie. It's cute. Y'all already know what it is. And y'all, put these on, and I couldn't even fit them. They would not go up my thighs. So it's what it is. But I put on the black jeans, so I'm gonna show it to y'all. I'm gonna keep these jeans on while I try on all the other shirts or whatever. So yeah, this hoodie, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Don't matter. These jeans, I mean, they're a little too baggy for me, or maybe because I'm short, but I'm gonna give them an 8. An 8's still good, y'all. It's just they too baggy, or they're too big. Let's try on the next shirt. Hold on, this is giving small. Okay, this is a crop top. Oh, I forgot about this. Got this in a large. Oh yeah, I'm trying this on. I'll get into it and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so this is the shirt. This is cute. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this is cute. But I just got to talk to my mom. She said that I should send these pants back because they're a little too big. So now I have 3 pair of pants that I have to send back, and like, I'm a little irritated. So it's okay, it is what it is. So yeah, this is the top. The top is cute. I like it like that. I like how the cut is right there. Cute little graphic. Then I got some red shoes that will go with this, so I'm gonna really eat. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It's cute. Okay, let's see. Another one. This is a extra large. I don't even remember getting this, to be honest, y'all. Oh, okay, never mind. So this is just a blue crop top. So I'm gonna try it on for y'all. And yeah, let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this is the next shirt. So it's like a crop top basically. It fits good, it's stretchy, it's nice material. I like it. I don't say much to it. It's real plain, real simple. It's not really too see-through because it's a dark color, but I like it like that. I'm happy I got it. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Something simple, something light. Period. Alright, so let's try the next thing out. So I got a purple shirt. Yes, y'all, I wanted to get it because I have some purple shoes that might go with it. So this is giving, based off feeling this, y'all, it's giving silky. Like, y'all can see the silk on it. Like, it's real silky. And I got some shoes that would go with it, so it's giving E. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on and we're gonna get back into it. But I got this in a large, okay, y'all? I got this in a large, so we'll be back. Hey, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Period. Don't matter. Anyways, y'all, I got a red plain shirt. It's like this, it's just red. Same material. I think I got in the same size. Now this one's giving a little see-through, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna get back to it. And I like this crop vibe, like it's giving. Plus, y'all, with my hair done, y'all, since my hair done, I don't care about nothing. Yes, y'all, let's try this on. I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all, so this is the shirt. Real plain. Real simple. I like it. It's cute. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10 also. I have a sweater. I'm going to try it on. And an extra large. And y'all, if I missed one of the outfits and didn't say the sizing, please let me know and I'll let y'all know, okay? So this is just black and green. Yes, y'all, I love sweaters. And y'all like, it's still hot outside and I'm like, it be cold in the building. So let me try on the next thing, y'all. I'm doing too much talking. Alright, y'all. So I got this sweater. And let me tell y'all, I only done had it on for 30 seconds. And it's already giving hot. It's giving suffocating. It's giving take me off. Baby, that's what it's giving. And it's hot. It's hot. Maybe it's because I'm doing a lot of moving. It's giving a lot. I'm doing too much moving. Anyways, y'all, let me try it on with the purses I got. And my mom told myself, girl, all you got was a sweatshirt? Indeed. Indeed. And then we got this black one. It's giving too much black. You know what I'm saying? You need something to balance it out. Now, don't get me wrong. It's fine, baby. So this is the purse. It's giving too much black. So let me take this off. I got this right here in a size 0 extra large. Baby, I can't fit this. I can't fit this, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for y'all. I'm gonna try. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. This fine. Most likely probably balance it out with this. Keep pushing. I'm gonna give it a 10. Period. Alright, y'all. This is the last shirt. Oh my gosh. The last shirt. This is like a flannel, y'all. But it's like a crop flannel. So we're gonna see what it's talking about. So this is what it looks like. So it's cute, like it's nice and cropped. I probably wouldn't wear these pants because it's like it's giving too high, but I would probably wear some leggings with these. Okay, so I put the white purse on and I got the black purse on just to show y'all kind of like an example how it would look. Like I said, yeah, it's giving cute. I like this white because it's giving too much black, but it's like the black's fine too. They both fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this crop like a 9 out of 10. This is what it's giving. This is how it's looking, and I like it. Like, it's giving that girl. You know what I'm saying? It's giving that girl. So 9 out of 10. So yes, I'm gonna be back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So that's the end of this video. That was a lot of clothes, y'all. I'm tired. But anyways, besides the point, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Let me know if y'all want some more shein hauls, cause I got y'all. Calm down. But anyways, y'all, see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Bye, y'all.